So this is a quick video to show you how to change the visor on a Dux Helm, one of which we have here in a black carbon fiber. So you can see a nice looking helmet all around here, nicely vented, quite light. The visor for the Dux Helm is retractable, so it's stored up in the helmet and extended using this real simple lever. I think you can, it's hard to get it to stand out against the light here, but again, just up and down with the lever and up and down with the lens. Real simple mechanism. If you're going to change these lenses out, you'll need to start with the lever all the way back, so the lens retracted, and then with your finger underneath the front of the little lever here, just apply some pressure to pop it up and out. You can see here it's just a simple piece. The back end, though, I think you can see, is a little bit longer than the front. You need to keep that orientation in mind when you're reinstalling it. Once that's out, you can just reach in between the vents, slide the visor forward, and then continue pulling it out. And as you can see here, it's curved to the shape of the helmet here. This is the amber visor. If you got the deluxe kit, you will have gotten this handy-dandy pouch here that has a padded compartment in here for holding the lenses, some straps on the back. You can see them. There you go. So you have a couple different ways of attaching it to a helmet or a bag or whatever. We'll install here one of the purple reflective lenses, as you can see, and the installation process is just the reverse of the removal. So the leading edge of the helmet here has this little cutout, as you can see. You just take the lens like so, with the long part first, and insert it up in there. Just line the lens up and it slides right in. And again, taking the little plastic bit, remembering the long end is at the back, you orient that right back in place, hooking it onto the frame of the lens and then snapping that in, and you've got that back in place and you're ready to rock.